Help! I've fallen and I can't get up. I know they can fix me.
So what we got today is we're going to repair this quarter panel. We're going to replace the taillight and the bumper. So when it gets done, it'll look good as new. We have certified Honda techs and certified shop. So you'll have a lifetime warranty with the work. All I need is your keys and the shuttle drivers over there to take you to your rental. Thank you so much, Loria.
Have a good day, Brian.
You too. Jack, are you okay?
I separated my shoulder.
Have you been ramping that motorcycle again?
No, not this time. I did it playing soccer with my grandsons.
So why are you in the suit?
I just like wearing it sometimes. Brian, do you think you can fix me while you fix your car? I really need that lifetime guarantee, and I insist on the best.
Jack, we would love to fix you, but you need a doctor.
What about a motorized scooter or something?
I don't think that would end well.
I won't ramp it.
Still no.
How you doing, D. Patrick Body Shop? I'm Evel Knievel.